Hey guys, welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a button in Figma. So firstly, let me just use my icons extension and I will create this button, for example this icon. Also let me just make it a little bit smaller because it's way too big. Okay, and now we're going to turn this into a button. So how this is done, guys? Firstly, you need to convert this into components. So for that you go here into this menu, you go object and you press on create a component. Okay, so this is going to be our checkmark component. As you can see, it now changes its little icon right over here. And now guys, you need to basically go to the prototype. Okay, and now you need to duplicate it first. All right, so we need to add a variant. Let's add a variant. So you go to main component, add a variant. All right, so let's just choose for this button to, for example, change the color to, say, red, right? So we go to the design, we turn it into red. So, for example, with the red background, doesn't matter. I don't think I can change the button itself, the color. Well, it doesn't matter. And now, of course, connect them. Okay, now we need to connect them, go to prototype, and in this little button in here, in the plus, just connect one button with another. Okay, great, as you can see this arrow appears, and now what this basically will do, it will change the color, and as you basically click on it, it will change. Now we of course need to create some kind of action, so in this one, we will create the button. So you just go ahead and click on the arrow and then trigger on click action. You just need to change to property variant 2 animation instant, and now this is basically going to be our action and interaction. So when you're clicking on your button, instead of just being like this without the background, without the color, it will change into this. So when you click on it, it will change into this color. So this is how you create a button, guys. Very simple. Also, you can add some more variations. You can, for example, also create a variant where it will highlight when you just hover over it. It will highlight with a different color, and then when you press, it will also change. So you can just customize it to any extent you wish. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.